Hello, this video tip is going to be on data validation, specifically from a list. I recently did a tutorial here on the HLOOKUP formula, and as I was doing that video, I realized that this was a great opportunity to talk about data validation in a list and being able to make your spreadsheets more usable. So in our example here, this is the sheet that we used for the HLOOKUP, and it's a simple setup where I've got some mocked up data and the user can type in a specific month and have it return sales and receipts by the HLOOKUP formula. So if you've not watched that tutorial, this would be a good time just to kind of catch you up here for this. And this setup works perfectly. You can type in the month and it will return it. The problem is what if your user types SEPT instead of SEP? It's going to return an error because it can't find SEPT, it can find SEP. So this current setup is dependent on the user typing in exactly what's in these cells. So for data validation, we're going to restrict what the user can type in. So to do that, I'm going to click on the cell where I want the data validation to be effective. And if I come up to the data tab on my ribbon and select that, you'll notice that there's a data validation section here. And I'm going to click that data validation, and it asks me what type of data validation that I want. And where it says any value, I'm going to click that drop down, and I want to choose list. And now it wants to know what the source of that list is. So I'm going to hit my lookup arrow here, and I'm just going to highlight the months. And this is what it's going to allow the user to type in or select for that cell that we've selected, D8. Hit the return arrow here, and now it says the source is C2 to M2, and I'm going to hit OK. Now you'll notice that it puts a little drop down arrow to the right of that cell. So now the user can either come in, and you'll see it's pre-populated with all the months, and they can just select on what month they want, and you'll see that the values change appropriately. Or the user can just type it in as well if they know the answer. And what happens now is, now if they try and type the SEPT, it's going to give them an error that doesn't match the data validation restrictions. And it will not allow them to put that in. Now, some things that you can do there. You can actually have, back in the data validation box, you'll see there's an error alert tab. And you can actually customize the error message that happens when user tries to type in something different. So for example, we could put, please use correct month code. So now you'll notice if the user tries to type sept, it says, please use correct month code. So it just is one way you can kind of customize the spreadsheet with how the user interacts with it. And that's how you use a data validation list. And that's today's Excel video tip. Thank you. Have a great day.